Gugu ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Cleophas Malala ni aria. Guys, DCP iko imara, DCP irugamite wega piu. Cleophas Malala aria thutha wa allegations iria Mena women representative wa Kirinyaga ekwandikite rucine kugera mutambo wake wa FB. Mena ekugite o ati Cleophas Malala ni acemanitie na MCAs aria amwena wa Anne Waiguru. Na tigitumi kia gucemania nigetha moke marehe thina thiini wa DCP kana moke marehe fujo thiini wa DCP na magerie kuharagania DCP. Iyo post ekwandikite ekugie kuonania atiriri Cleophas Malala ni tamur thiini wa DCP na nitarutira wira andu amwena uria ungi wa Mastiko. Cleophas Malala nioka nandika post nene haha, ti post nene, no ni acoka ekira mbica igiri. Mbica ici igiri ekira na MCS aria acemanitie nao muthenya wa ira. Na mbica ya keri hau kianda ekira Rigathi wa Gachagua na MCS aria Cleophas Malala acemanirie nao. So SG wa kiama kia DCP Cleophas Malala ambite gucemania na MCS aya before macemanie na Rigathi wa Gachagua muthenya wa umuthi. Na Cleophas Malala ariko, yesterday evening I had fruitful consultative engagement with elected members of County Assembly of Kirinyaga ahead of today's meeting with our party leader, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. We are focused on enhancing political inclusivity as we prepare for the forthcoming general election. Chama iko imara, we scatter none but gather all. Oneguo mundu Cleophas Malala uga ati muthenya wa ira ni acemanirie na MCS aya a Kirinyaga. Aya muthenya wa umuthi macemanie na Rigathi wa Gachagua. Akauga kiama kia DCP ke imara, akauga we scatter none we gather all. We scatter none tiguti mundu meguteaniria in short no mekurehe andu othe hamwe guku kwa DCP. So from what Cleophas Malala has written and from the photo he has shared, ugira namba ya MCS aria Cleophas Malala acemanirie na muthenya wa ira ni MCS 10. Ugira namba ya MCS aria mathire kwa Rigathi wa Gachagua kuria muthenya wa umuthi kuma Kirinyaga ni acio 10. Na warora thura ciao no the same. So gutiri ati MCS wanaja kana aria maguthite kwa Rigathi wa Gachagua, they are the same MCS aria Cleophas Malala acemanirie nao. So MCS aria Cleophas Malala acemanirie nao, they are the same people Rigathi wa Gachagua acemanirie nao kana acemanirie nao muthenya wa umuthi ona ngira thura no issue. So the big question is, niki Mena atana kena higwa Cleophas Malala acemanirie na MCS aya? Because Cleophas Malala has proved Mena wrong. From what I've seen, to any evidence, Cleophas has proved Mena wrong. The big question is, kai ataredaga Mena MCS aya mwena wa iguru moke mwena wa Rigathi wa Gachagua kana ni atia? Ladies and gentlemen, because when MCS make a defect kuma kwe governor Anne Waiguru oyo wa Mastigo moke kwe Rigathi wa Gachagua, it's a win for Gachagua, it's a win for DCP, it's a win. So I really wonder why Mena was angry higwa Cleophas Malala acemanirie kana acemanirie na MCA na the same MCAs macemania muthenya wa umuthi na Rigathi wa Gachagua. Hagima kana hagikorwo na undu fishe muno agikorwo Cleophas Malala acemanirie na MCAs acio then muthenya wa umuthi Rigathi wa Gachagua age gucemania nao, kana tuone Rigathi wa Gachagua acemania na MCAs age different. Hari tungeuria ciuria muno nyingi muno. But from what I've seen, from what I've observed, maybe kwena issue mundu gwetwo Mena enacio. I think kwena andu hihi maroka mwena wa Rigathi wa Gachagua mundu gwetwo Mena atarenda moke. But then DCP want to accommodate all. DCP want to accommodate everybody. It's a win for Gachagua. Ego MCS ayame kama mwana wake. Na anaishira kule Kirinyaga. So it's a win for him. So why is Jerry Mena angry? That's the biggest question. Another thing is, tolentobye kuna no kuna internal angles thini wake makia DCP. Na ishi internal angles. Ado mwena ule na make na ajira na muno. Especially igwa mekona ate Cleophas mani eto more and so on and so forth. Ado mwena ule na blogger se mwena ule ni dona ule mabetie Kwaria. Rigathi Gachagua should put his house in order. Agikoti issue nene before someone publishes odo okurehera pati mathina kana andu mekwambia kuria huko media-ini. It's always good it's always good kwamba communicate maybe na munene wa party before they publish these things. Kana kiuria kigigoria, oh, was it planned? You see, politics ekona dynamics nyingi muno. No ikone plan. Jerry Mena adike odutoyo, but she doesn't mean it. Maybe it is a calculated move. Maybe it's their plan. Maybe it was a plan. Maybe it's their plan. Together, kemba kia DCP iko ikiarererio. It's politics. And in politics, expect anything. So guys, ketete tuone ule maudu meguthi na mbere maikarite, but Rigathi Gachagua must put his house in order. He must make sure kama giki kia DCP ni kinini, kama giki kia DCP ni kiroetwo iguru muno, na ni gikona aspirant aige muno. Remember, ino ni party nini, the youngest party we have currently in Kenya, no ni party iroka kugia muno. Ni gukona aspirant aige muno, especially the Mount Kenya region. So to make sure this party is strong, mudogo eto Rigathi Gachagua nogina ki make sure his house is in order. I make sure gutina jikaikanĩrio ya mĩario. I make sure gutire na bara ekuo. Na bara ekiumĩra ũguo nĩ abatie kũmĩhoreria na ihenya muno. Because what we saw today, it's not good. Direkore wega. Remember, on a Cleophas Malala argument thĩinĩ wa kĩama kĩa DCP, it will be a big blow. Cleophas Malala is a movement. Cleophas Malala is a mobilizer. Ogera Cleophas Malala onaigwa thĩinĩ wa mĩcemanio. This guy is a mobilizer. This guy is very important thĩinĩ wa United Opposition. So, a defect guthi gwĩ Kasongo, it's a loss thĩinĩ wa United Opposition. Because this guy ndagĩrĩire kwana maino. Still ona andũ ta Jerry Mena matigĩrĩire kwana maino. So, Rigathi Gachagua, he should put his house in order, igetha bũrũri ũthiĩ na mbere wega. Toro ũguo, igetha andũ makona confident na kĩama kia DCP, igetha andũ matikonete kwĩna maũndũ matarathiĩ wega. Igetha andũ makona confident na kĩama kia DCP, no nginya Rigathi Gachagua agi put his house in order, gũtigakorwo na maũndũ matarathiĩ wega. Kuri wa podcast, macio maũndũ marĩa ma trend kana ũcio nĩ ũndũ ũrĩa ũratrend. So I had to nini this video, igetha ndĩmuonie ũrĩa gũthiĩte, ũrĩa Jerry Mena augire, ũrĩa Cleophas Malala auga, igetha ona inyuĩ mũka into conclusion na muone ũrĩa kũrathiĩ na mbere. Kuri wa podcast, muone manyu marĩkũ, inyuĩ mũrona atĩa. Thank you, God bless you.